Hi guys, today we are going to learn about the file in Python. Okay, first of all we have to discuss about the reads character R is a read the file. If it is the doesn't file doesn't have a generate IO error, and R plus means read and write, but start with the beginning and same IO error will come. Yeah, W if it is a W means previous file will be overwritten and new file is written here. Okay, W bus also save, but we can read and write. What do you mean by A plus? A means append. If it is a new file, you can append. If it is a old file, it at the end of the line, A plus is used for adding a new lines. Okay, first of all, we have to go for this program. Okay, this one is I created on a file one equal to open demo.txt w. I can here we can write w means write. So today l equal to today we are learning Python. Today we are learning Python. Okay, and so Python file section, and it has read, write, and append mode. Okay, these two lines I have written here, and slash n is used for new line. Okay, after that small content is file one dot write hello world. Okay, and next one is a file one dot write lines. That is a l is assigned this write lines. Okay, I close this file. After that I have to open the file one equal to open demo dot text and r plus means read and write. Okay, and I'll print some content. We will read content. Okay, so first of all print file dot read. Okay, I will read this file, and next one is a file one dot read lines. The two different things we have done. So so I have to run this one. Okay, this is the output we have to see. First one is a file one dot read. Okay, here hello dot world is available, and next one is a print lines. Read lines means multiple lines. Today we are learning Python file section, and at the next one is a it has read, write, and append mode. Okay, the third one is a blank. Okay, thank you. You see in the next video.